Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy AlteredTech back again with a new review video. Now in today's video, we will be reviewing the silicone case for the Apple AirPods. Now I was looking for a case on Amazon, I came across this case. It's actually made of silicone. Now the good thing about silicone is that it's easy to wash and it actually protects your case and has this nice soft feel to it. So if you're prone to dropping your stuff, if this drops on the floor, it does have some good shock absorption. Now the first thing I want to say is that this case actually comes with a few nice add-ons. Like the first add-on I'll talk about is this nice necklace. Now all you gotta do is just put in your AirPods into the loop, put it around your neck, and you're good to go. Now these are the OnePlus wireless bullet headphones. These are actually my primary headphones. I love working out with them because pretty much when you're working out and you just want to take your headphones off, you just take them off and let it hang on your shoulders. So with this add-on you could definitely do that as well, and it's a nice addition. Now the second coolest add-on is this keychain. Now you can actually clip this on your book bag, clip it on your keys, clip it anywhere that's possible. So if you're like me and you're prone to losing your stuff, all you gotta do is just take your case and hang it up and you're good to go. Now for the third feature, which is pretty cool, you do have a little attachment which actually slides into your watch. It could be an Apple Watch, or what I'm using right now is a Samsung Galaxy Active Watch. So what you can do is actually slide it into the wrist strap and place your Apple AirPods when you're done with them. This could be convenient as well if you just, if you're running and you just want to take a little break and put your AirPods someplace safe, and that's accessible as well. Now, the final add-on, which is just as helpful as the other three add-ons, is this cool ear tips. Place them on your Apple AirPods and you put them in your ears, and it actually, fits in nice and snug in your ear. It actually works as good as Jaybirds and these OnePlus wireless bullet headphone ear tips. So if you have some problems with your Apple AirPods falling out, especially when you're doing some high intensity activities, this should definitely keep them in place. Now I have to admit, now with these ear tips, these AirPods look a lot more stylish than before. Now as you can see over here, it does have that kind of like a Batman type look to it. So I'll call these the Batman AirPods from now on. You just put it in there. Now it fits in tight and you're good to go. And I do have to say it feels a lot more secure. Now for the case. Now if you're prone to actually dropping your stuff, I do have to say that with the silicone case, it is very soft, and I would say it does have some shock absorption to it. Now if you look in the bottom, you do have a little small rubber piece covering up the charging port, so that's pretty good. And on the top, when it comes to opening your AirPods, you don't have any issues whatsoever. There isn't any resistance. It works beautifully, no issues whatsoever. It is very stylish as well. And on the back, you do have your little power button to turn on. It works pretty good, nice and clicky, no issues whatsoever. So that's pretty much it. For just 10 bucks, I got more than I asked for. I got the case and some 4 features, which I could definitely use all the time. Now for the case, it's very comfy, it's stylish, offers protection, and that's actually everything I ever wanted in an AirPod case. So this is AlteredTech. I definitely give this 5 stars. So you can check it out on Amazon.com. I'll actually post a link in the description. This is AlteredTech with the Apple AirPod silicone case. I give it a 5 out of 5. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. It's AlteredTech signing out. Peace.